Morning guys, welcome back to another video. So it is super early in the morning, it's like 3 a.m, but I am currently on my way over to Moreton Island. It's a little bit of a girls trip this weekend, so we've booked the 4:30 a.m. barge, so we're going to have the entire day to explore Moreton Island plus the weekend as well. But either way, we've got about a 30-45 minute drive, so we're going to be heading over that way now, and I'll check in with you guys soon. All right, we're all aired down, we've got our coffee, and I think we're about 5 minutes away from Moreton. Now, Kim is with me this weekend, so it's a little bit of a girls' weekend. She'll probably be behind the camera for most of it either way. But yeah, when we get there, I have decided we're not going to book any campsites. So we are just going to wing it the entire way, and we're just going to book it as we go. That way we can just enjoy what we want to do as we go through. So we made it off the barge and I didn't get bogged, so that is a good start to our weekend. We are going to head up to the northern end of Moreton Island. We're going to go to the Five Hills Lookout first and then go on to Honeymoon Bay from there. So we made it out to Five Hills Lookout. This one is about a 20 to 25 minute walk. And yeah, the driving was so relaxing. We literally did not pass a single person, even though there were so many people getting off the boat, and a lot of the campsites are booked out as well. So not mad, but let's get to this hike. Apparently it's like 360 views at the top as well. Can confirm that is not a 20 to 25 minute walk. It's probably like 5 minutes. Absolute stunning views at the top, so I highly recommend it. We are going to head over to the Cape Moreton now and potentially stop somewhere for lunch as well, so we'll see what we can come across. So as you can see behind me, we've made it out to Cape Moreton, and funny fact about this location, so I started YouTube, 12 months ago now, just over 12 months, and before I left Queensland, this was actually the last spot that I came to with Kim, and ironically, I was going to start my YouTube then and there, but we completely stuffed it, or when I say we, I mean I completely stuffed it, but anyway, that's just a little fun fact. But yes, I'm going to throw the drone up here, and then we're going to head over to Honeymoon Bay, and I think that's where we're going to chill for most of the day before we set up for camp. we've stopped just shy of Honeymoon Bay. We've just stopped up here to have breakfast. I was going to cook us some bacon and eggs, but the wind is a little bit chaotic, so we're just going to have toasted sandwiches instead, and then we're going to head on in. It honestly feels like it could be about lunchtime right now, but it's only like 9:45. So we're going to chill out at this spot right here. I think Kim has gone off to hunt for some seashells, and I'm probably going to have a nap, to be honest. And then from there, we'll definitely head out to Honeymoon Bay at some point, but we are in absolutely no rush at all. So that was Honeymoon Bay. We're actually pretty keen for a swim, but this surf side is a little bit rougher than what we want. So I think we're going to head back to that western side and yeah, chill out there for a little bit. So we ended up finding a campsite. We've actually come down to the southwest corner. There is literally nobody down there. So if you're anything like us and you want to avoid people as much as possible, I think the sort of like northwest is quite a popular spot, but just take the inland track, come down to this section. Absolutely perfect. But we are setting up camp now. Kim is behind me setting up her tent because she refused to accept my invitation to my penthouse, which I also have to set up. But let me show you guys this spot. I'm going to throw the drone up and then we're going to start to sort of wind down, get a fire going, and then have some dinner. First priority is done. We've got the fire, so we're going to get started on dinner. We're actually having pizza again. So if you didn't watch my last video, make sure you jump back because I did the most incredible fry pan pizza. I reckon we had the absolute best night's sleep last night.
The best sleep ever.
Oh, it's like everything about being by the ocean is just my absolute favourite. But we are having breakfast, we're having bacon and eggs for breakfast, and then we don't really have too much on the cards to today. We're definitely going to be going to snorkel the wrecks, and then we're going to go do Mount Tempest. So slight change of plans. We decided to do Mount Tempest first. Today's supposed to be like one of the best days weather-wise, but it's actually looking a little bit cloudy. But I think we'll do the snorkeling sort of more midday. I feel like that will be perfect and it'll be nice and warm. But getting to Mount Tempest, I think I actually took the wrong turn, but we ended up over on the, what is it, the Eastern Beach? Is that what it is?
Yeah, Eastern Beach.
My sense of direction is terrible, but yeah, we just did a little U-bolt there and then came back here. Absolutely stunning views, but whoever said that was 1 kilometre, absolute lie. That was so much harder than what we anticipated, but there isn't a lot of shade up here. I'm going to throw the drone up and then we're going to start making our way down. So we just got back to Tangalooma Wrecks and it is so busy at the moment. They're also not hiring snorkel gear. So although I've got all of my gear here, Kim doesn't. So I might be snorkeling solo today, but still pretty keen to get out there. The water is so nice. Like we've waited until about lunchtime. So it's like 12 o'clock now. And yeah, there's all that cloud is gone and it's just pure sunshine. So I feel like it'll be a really good view out there anyway, but I'm going to get ready and then we'll jump in the water. We're back at the original camp that we were at last night. It was just way too good not to come back to, and there's still not that many people booked into it, which is crazy considering how nice it is. But for this afternoon, we're going to be chilling out. We're going to be doing a bit of fishing, but we all know that I absolutely suck at fishing, so that is going to be Kim's job to catch us a fish tonight, hopefully for dinner. If not, we'll be having whatever we cook up. Guys, I put Kim on a mission to actually catch us a fish, and I think she's actually done it. Did you catch one? False alarm this time, but we're gonna get one. Oh wait, what the fuck? What did you do? Oh, it's gone. How did you do that? Did you catch us some dinner? No, that was your job. Where's my fish? No, I think we're going to call it a day. Looks like we're having pasta for dinner. I'll cook.
Oh, thank you.
So today has absolutely not gone to plan. We effectively got completely rained out this morning, so we packed up in a very big rush. So there was no breakfast, so we've come out to the big sand hills first, and we might just go to the gutter bar and chill out there because I don't think the weather is looking that great, but we've had a good run. So I'm really not mad at all, but check out these sand dunes. I might even get the drone up before it starts to rain as well. So we're officially lined up for the barge, almost on our way home, where I've got about maybe an hour and a half wait until the barge gets here. But yeah, we've had a little bit of a dud day. It's been pretty horrible weather, but we really can't complain because we've had 2 incredible days. So yeah, we've just been really chilling out today. Obviously went to the sand hills, we went to the gutter bar for lunch, and then we've kind of just been chilling out, having coffee, doing all the things. But either way, I'm going to close off this video here. As always, guys, thank you so much for following along, and I will see you guys all next week. Although depending on the weather, I'm not too sure what I'm doing just yet, so just make sure you check in next week and I'll see you all then.